What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. We're just cruising. We were at Target getting some Guinness and some pizza. And I'm super excited because that video I posted yesterday, check it out if you haven't already. I'm sure you have. This is by far the longest video I've ever done. It was a 38-minute long max range test video for the SUR stock sprocket and stock electronics, and I'm just chomping at the bit but trying to not get the dang Lightspeed battery in BAC4000 or 8000. But I really do want it, but it's just, man, it's salty, it's expensive. But the guy, Chris, I think his name is, at Lightspeed, he's super awesome, and they've got a new 32 amp hour battery that's got like top of the line cells in it right now. But I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit. I need help. I need to know whether or not y'all think I should get the BAC4000 versus the BAC8000. And I haven't even really looked up all the specs, but I know those are two of the top ones on the market. So, August, shh, please. I'm trying to make a video. Can't you tell what I'm doing here? So those are two of the top ones on the market. Basically, the BAC4000, that thing can handle a lot, but it's kind of maxed out when you're running a 72 volt battery from Lightspeed. You're kind of using it to its full potential with the 4000. On the other hand, on the 8000, you're kind of using like 50-60% of its capacity, but that thing's just a beast. But they're both amazing, and there's a guy that posted on the forum the other day with the 4000, which is the smaller one, the controller. So if you guys don't know what these are, for an RC car, it's like a speed controller. For a electric dirt bike, electric motorcycle, it's just called a controller. But it controls the power coming from your battery. Basically, on an RC car, it's the power from your battery going to your servos, steering, and throttle, and your motor. On an electric bike, it's basically just the battery to the motor. So it's really a pretty simple setup. But anyhow, that's what it does. It controls the power from, it's kind of like your transmission per se. But anyhow, this guy posted a video. I digress. This guy posted a video, and he did like 82 miles an hour, and he wasn't even maxed out. And that's with the BAC4000. But Chris at Lightspeed said go with the 8000. It's just kind of like you're working in it less, and it is really hot in Louisiana. But I just want to talk a little bit about, the size difference. I think the 8000's like this big, and the 4000's like that. The size difference is pretty substantial. But other than the size difference, there's a little bit of a price difference, but it's negligible because you're looking at close to $3,000 for the battery and the controller. And it's like, when you get to that price point, I think it's an extra $200. One versus the other. So when you're at that price point, it's like, what's the difference there, you know? So I'm not worried about the price difference. I'm worried about the price in general, but I'm just super excited because Lightspeed stuff is just quality. So if you guys have any experience with Lightspeed batteries, the cells that I'm gonna get are the cells in the one I'm looking at are, trying to remember what they're called. I don't think I have a picture of them anymore either. Hey, here they are. Let me wait till I get to this red light. I'll tell you what these cells are called. Just let me stop the car here and I'll read what these cells are called. But they're supposed to be super, super nice, like absolutely amazing. Beautiful day though. I'm excited. That video I got, that video I posted, it's gonna get 100 hours of watch time in the first 24 hours, which is pretty cool. I'm excited about that. Moly cell P42As. It's called a Moly cell P42A, and it's a 21600 cell, I think. So it's bigger. It's a bigger cell than the 18650. So they're supposed to be like top of the line. I looked them up. They're like $6 a cell. And there's like 160 of these Moly cells in this battery pack, so you're looking at almost $1,000 just in cells. And then obviously they have to construct the pack, they have to solder it all together, and then they have to put a BMS battery monitoring system in there, and the Lightspeed batteries have a Bluetooth 300 amp battery monitoring system, so you can monitor your battery via your phone through Bluetooth, which is super cool. You can see how much amps are being drawn, all that stuff. So I can't wait to learn more about the batteries and everything. If I end up going that route, I'll probably sell my stock battery, but who knows, maybe I'll keep it. You can still run that, and it would have an NXT display, so I'd be able to mess with all the settings in the NXT display. At the same time, part of me just thinks I should keep the stock setup, but you know, gotta have that speed and that power, don't get me wrong. That thing would just be a freaking awesome. The power to weight ratio on the bike, if I were to put that, either one of those controllers, the 4000 or the 8000, if I was drawing like 15 kilowatts or 15,000 watts, I would have like a higher power to weight ratio from what I've read than like a 450 motocross bike, which is sweet because these things only weigh 110 pounds, and a 450 motocross bike weighs like 260. So seriously, August, sorry about that, guys. It's loud and obnoxious. Anyhow, hope you guys are doing well. Let me know BAC4000 versus BAC8000. The battery I'm pretty much sold on. Can't beat the customer service with Lightspeed. Hit them up if you guys are interested in some batteries, because I really think they're solid. And they actually are making the batteries, and they are shipping the batteries. They're not just talking about it. So anyhow, I will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a good evening. Thank you for watching. Please, if you haven't, go on over and watch my 38-minute long range test video on the stock electronics with the stock sprocket. It was really fun. I had the regenerative braking turned off. Also, I got some really sweet stickers. I'll go ahead and link them right here if you want to check them out. Put them right here. They're awesome. They're pretty cool. CJ Moto, Co1 graphics, Pro Taper, and the SUR logo all in one graphic there. If you want to get one of those, hit me up at CJ Moto on Facebook. I'm accepting donations to the channel so I can keep getting this awesome stuff, and I'll send you guys some awesome stickers if you donate. So I do appreciate the support. Love y'all, and I will talk to you soon. CJ Moto out of here. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Catch you next time.
Catch you next time.
Please subscribe.